After updating to Android 16 on Motorola phones, many users are facing two common issues. First, a lot of suggested apps are appearing in the app drawer, but those apps are not actually installed on the phone. And second, the newsfeed feature has been enabled and many users don't like it. So in this video, I will show you how to fix or disable both of these features in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. To turn off newsfeed, tap on the three dots. After that, tap on settings. Then tap on newsfeed. Now turn off the newsfeed option. That's it. Now the newsfeed feature has been turned off. Now let's remove the suggested apps or not installed apps from the app drawer. Here you tap on three dots. Then tap on settings. After that, tap on apps. Now tap on suggestions in app tray option and turn it off. Then tap on games folder option and turn off the option organize all games into a folder, and that's it. Now the suggested apps will no longer appear in your app drawer on Motorola mobiles. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.